Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox my video gaming headphone. The model name of this gaming headphone is Plextone Pc780. I ordered it from a Facebook page which name is Gadget BD. I will gonna provide their link in the description box. You can visit their page and see what exciting product they are providing. Now it's time to unbox my product. Now this is unpacked and now let's see the description and the specification this headphone has. If you look at the headphone, you can see that this is made of a VVS plastic and the whole body is made of foam for comfortness, and you can see that there is a phone answering stick, and you can also see that there is a foam which will gonna protect your ear, and it is very lightweight to handle, and you can control the volume here by rolling this. This headphone has 6 feet 3 inch long wire and it has multiple connection pin. You can see one is for USB and other is for one is for mic and one is for headphone. By using this USB port, you can turn on the LED light of the headphone. I will show you how it is. You can see that the LED light has turned on. So let's check the mic of that headphone. I have already recorded with that headphone. If I open the file of that recorded file, you can judge the quality and how good the voice is. You can understand. Hello, I am talking with the mic of this headphone. Please let me know how good is that and you can comment me. That was the recorded video, and you can adjust the headphone with the size of your head by pressing this, and it will gonna adjust you with the size of your head. Same, you can do that like that. Okay, this headphone is compatible with PC, mobile, PlayStation and Xbox. While using this, I didn't find any uncomfortable and any wrong with this headphone. So those who are looking to buy a headphone with less expensive and good quality, I think this is the best one for you. So this is for now. I hope this video will going to help you. Maybe it's suitable for your requirement, and of course if you like this video, then press the like option and subscribe our channel if you're not done yet, and don't forget to press the bell option to stay updated.